Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking jewelry Instagram post for your Instagram account. If you want to create your own design, you can do so in Canva. Canva is a great site for beginners who don't have any experience with design and creativity. The best part is that you can modify templates already created by professional designers. You can simply click on one, customize it, and make it your own. Go to the search bar in Canva and type Jewelry Instagram Post. Then press Enter. Now you can see the Canva templates suggested for you. To explore all the options, click See All. Now you can see the templates created by professionals. You can modify them, add your own images, and make any other changes you like. For now, I'll go with this one. It looks good, and it's free. I'll click on the template I like, then customize it. Now you can see that I have full access to modify whatever I like. Similarly, you can explore all the available templates, customize the one you like, and choose whichever template meets your expectations. So if I want to change or customize the text, I'll click on it. These are the available features for customizing your text. You can try them out. This one changes the font, and this one resizes your text. This one changes the color. These options let you make the text bold, italic, underlined, or strike-through, as well as change it to uppercase or lowercase and create lists or bullet points. This one controls letter spacing and line spacing. This one controls transparency. This one adds effects if you want to apply one. This option adds animation. This one controls the position. Those are all the available features and options for customizing text. Now, let's move on to the background. If you want to change or remove the background, click on the background and go to the background color. You can change it as you like. If you want to undo an action, the option is here. Now it's time to replace the template images with your own. Go to the Uploads tab and upload an image from your computer. For now, I'm going to use Pinterest. I will go to Pinterest. I'm selecting an image from Pinterest. Maybe I'll choose this one. I'll just copy it and paste it here. Like this. I can simply copy and paste it here. To replace a template image with your own, you can simply drag and drop it like this. If you want to replace it with this image, choose this one. If you want to replace another image, just drag and drop your image like this. Just like that, it's very easy to replace the template images with your own. Simply drag and drop, customize your details, add your contacts and branding, and choose your own colors, fonts, and images. When you're done customizing or modifying the design, rename your file here and go to Share. Select Download and download it in PNG or any other available format. Simply download it and your jewelry Instagram post is ready to upload to Instagram or any other social media platform.